Hey everyone, welcome in my next video in this channel, and today I want to share with you something good, guys, because as you can see, I passed my 2 evals in maybe 2 weeks, and this is crazy, bro, because I passed my eval only one time in my life, and in my opinion that was luck. But this is kind of crazy, bro, because I'm struggling with this really long period of time with passing an evaluations, and suddenly I'm passing 2 evals in 2 weeks or maybe 1 week. I don't even know. This is beautiful, and I believe in myself. I believe that it could be this moment when trading start working for me. I'm really feeling good and I have good thoughts. So maybe, who knows? We will see. For now, I had really nice month this March. So yes, I was profitable. I will show you after the recaps because now I want to show you trades that I took. So yes, let's go into this. Later I will show you all my trades, how many trades I took in March, how many was break-evens, wins and lose. So yes, let's go into this. And the first account that I'm passed was on this setup right here. Yeah, I remember this day. Sorry guys that I'm post this 1 week later, but I really don't have a time recently. I have really a lot of work because I'm working right here in Deutschland, so I need just money for funded accounts. Yes, in this day we had really big candle, and that was yes, that was right here. We had right here on the highest time frame this swing high, and we swept this high inside of this bearish FVG, and that was sign that we won't come slower. We were also inside this 4 hour, but when we are looking on daily time frame, I was bearish because we had a really nice low resistance liquidity right here, and also we had weekly FVG, as you can see right here. So I was just bearish, and so before the market open we left this bearish FVG 15 minute. We also inverse this hourly FVG, and that was sign that we won't come slower. We left this relative equal lows also. Oh, that was not equal lows, but low resistance. So I just wanted to see something just like this, that before the market open accumulation, and at the market open manipulation to the upside and distribution to this lows right here. So yes, market open right here, we get this beautiful manipulation leg to the upside, and we respecting this FVG also, so you can see, and we get right here this beautiful 2-minute IFVG, and that was, and on this candle I enter into this trade. My stop loss was on this high right here, and I wanted to 1-to-1 only. I was also targeting 50% of this FVG, as you can see. Yes, I was targeting 50% of this bearish FVG, and that was banger, bro. That was exactly what I wanted to see. As you can see, that was really nice trade. Perfect TP on this. Perfect prediction. Sorry, because I set my TP on this 1-to-1 because this is what I wanted to take. but I wanted to see this 50% of this leg of this range. So yes, that's happened, and we get, as you can see, perfect rejection of this range, and we go higher. So really nice trade, and that was the trade. I passed my eval, my first eval, so that was banger, bro. And I see now that discipline and patience just pays off, you know. Just stick to your rules and everything will be okay. Let's go into the next trade. Yes, I had also break even continuation, I think. But I took this only on my eval because in this time I had eval and my funded account, so I took this only on eval. And this is the day I took this break even. As you can see, we are respecting this for our FVG. We are still don't take this loss, and we are moving to the downside. And to be honest, I was bearish in this day because, as you can see, we are totally disrespecting this for our FVG. So I wanted to take shorts in this day, but yes, let's go into open. Market open right here. Price move to the downside, and a lot of people said that that was a plus setup. To be honest, I don't know why. Maybe I just had a wrong bias because I was thinking that this low is not valid because we are respected this for our FVG too many times, and I just thought that this low not means a lot. And there was 30 seconds inversion. I saw that a lot of people took this also. We had nice equal highs right here, and that was right, but this highs was inside this 15-minute FVG, so I don't know. We also inverse this 15-minute FVG in this time, so in my opinion, people who took this trade have really big balls. This is not my setup, but as you can see, that was banger. But yes, I was waiting on my setup just, and as you can see, we totally disrespecting this 15-minute. Yes, we left now we left this really nice rejection week, but yes, that was later after this setup. So yes, we inverse this. I think we inverse this 15-minute, and we had London highs right here, and that was my target, to be honest, because I see that we are just disrespecting all bearish PDI race, so and respecting bullish, of course. So yes, as you can see, we had right here for our FVG, and that was my targets, this for our unmitigated FVG and also this London highs, you know, because as you can see at ES also we were really close to this London highs. So yes, we had this 5-minute continuation right here, and we get this beautiful candle to the upside, and in this time that was really nice confirmation for me that we won't comes higher. We had this 4-hour unmitigated FVG, but why I took this only on my eval? Because that was at 1 minute before 10 a.m. candle open. But what that it mean? That it can be really big move on the market, because this is 4-hour candle open, and it's just working like news or something just like this. So it's just risky. It's 50-50. Price can comes lower and price can goes higher. So I just wanted to play safe and don't risk that much on my new funded account. So I just took this trade on my Eval, and we tapped into this 4-hour FVG, and I went break even. And that was really nice decision, because we created also 15-minute FVG below us, as you can see. So yes, yes, that was break even, but I think not bad setup. So let's go into the next one. Yes, and this is the trade I took yesterday. That was Mac model. That was trade from previous day high, data high, and also daily FVG. And I was targeting unmitigated 5-minute FVG. As you can see, I took this trade on my Eval and also on my funded account. So that was first trade I took on my funded, and that was winning trade on Eval, because I took this trade with increased sizing, because in 3 days I had to pay payment for this account. So I just increased my sizing, and on this break even was enough, and I passed my Eval, so I'm really happy about that. So yes, let's go into the analysis. Yes, as you can see, let's go into the weekly. We feel this bullish, sorry, we feel this bullish FVG, and I wanted to see reaction to the upside. And what we had right here, we are respecting this for our FVG, but as you can see, we left high resistance below. We also had this unmitigated for our FVG, and first of all I wanted to take longs maybe from there, but I saw that on ES we had SMT, so it wasn't necessary. As you can see, we feel this FVG on ES. We had also this previous liquidity from previous day, that was news high, so this is really strong draw on liquidity. So that was my target on this session, because we left this yesterday, and today we are respecting bullish and disrespecting bearish. So yes, we had also daily FVG, so in my opinion that was really good target, but we didn't get any entry. As you can see, price market open right here, but we didn't get any entry. As you can see, we had short right here. I fade this trade because that was against my bias. So yes, for me that was pattern trade, to be honest. I don't know why. We swept only this internal liquidity, and we left this daily and data high above us, so that was risky. So I fade this trade. I'm just waiting, and I didn't get any entry, unfortunately. But yes, we feel this daily FVG. We feel more on ES, so I just wanted to see reaction after that. Yes, we left this 930 candle also, and this low resistance right here, and that was just magnet for my TP in this time. The same situation with this equal lows right here. That was just a magnet. As you can see, we have really nice inversion right here, and that was my trade that I took, and I wanted to one just targeting this 5-minute unmitigated FVG. I think that was nice setup. As you can see, yes, we took this 5-minute FVG and I moved my stop loss to break even. Why? Because I wasn't confident this 1-to-1. I was confident this 5-minute FVG, as you can see, it was filled, and I set my stop loss to break even because in this time I had vision of that we can resweep this high, because also we don't feel a lot of in this PD array right here. So I just wanted to play safe, but that was enough for my eval, and I'm happy about that. Break even on funded and win on my eval, so really nice. So yeah, let's go into the recap of the month, how many trades I took, how many was wins, break-evens and losses. So yes, let's go. The first one was this this break-even trade. I can see that ES took my profit, ES took this loss, so that was a little bit unlucky, but I had break-even on this trade. That was good decision, so yes, that was just statistic break-even. The next one was lose, unfortunately, but I think that was the only lose I took in March, so really nice. That was the most brutal trade I've ever seen in my entire trading journey, so yes, but now I took a lesson from this also. Let's talk about it later. Let's go into the next one. Oh bro, my phone battery just died, so rest of this video will be without camera. But yes, let's go into this. So yeah, the next trade was break even, and as you can see, my target was something around 1 to 2 risk reward, and it hit 1-to-1 and went to my break even. So that was break even. Let's see, and it would be also 1-to-1 win, as you can see. So that was break even. Yes, that was banger. That was really clean trade. Let's go into the next one. That was break even. That was this trade from today. Yes, that was break even also from today, and the last one was also from today, so that was break even and win. But yes, what I want to show you that most my trades hit my 1-to-1 and went to my break even. So for now, I decided to take most of my trades on 1-to-1. Just set my TP on 1-to-1, and even when I have my target lower and higher, I just want to use this as a magnet. I think my win rate will increase after that, because when I'm backtesting, guys, I see this also many times that my target is on 1-to-2, for example, and it hit 1-to-1 and just went to my break even. So I just want to increase my win rate and rely on a data. It will be really good idea in my opinion, and we will see how it will be play out. And what I also want to do, I want also remove my mechanical break even. Why? Because when I'm backtest, I see many times that I'm really confident my draw on liquidity and it just hit TP, but after hitting my break even, so it happened many times to me, and I want to start rely on my experience and data than just on mechanical pattern, you know. So yeah, this is another month, but in this time that was profitable month for me because I had win right here, break even, win, break even. So 3 wins. This and this would be wins also when I just set my take profit on 1 to 1. But it was break even, so break even also. But see how many trades I could win when I just set my stop loss, my TP at 1 to 1. This is crazy. Oh, and here you also have example of that. This is crazy, bro. And I can't believe in this trade to this day. But you can see when I just set my TP at this swing high right here, it would be win also. And yes, I think that's all. But you can see how many trades I could win when I just set my TP at 1 to 1. So my I aiming in this new month I aiming for lower risk reward and higher win rate. So you can see how many trades I could win in this month. So I draw my conclusions, and in April, what the fuck, why I don't have internet? I don't know, but I draw my conclusions, and let's see if it play out in this month. We will see. But guys, I'm really grateful to backtesting, to be honest. It gives me really much for real. It gives me really much confidence on the live market. Now I have thoughts why I can't be profitable on live market when I'm profitable on backtesting. So that's mean that I have data, I have experience, I have knowledge. So it's just about my psychology that I will be scared before the trade. So in this month I will be rely on my data and knowledge, and I think everything will be okay. So yeah, so yes, we had really nice month. Let's go into the next ones. Thank you guys really for watching, and if anyone are looking for a funded accounts, you have the biggest discount I've ever seen, to be honest, on alpha futures. I think this is the biggest discount in the history of the alpha. So if anyone want to support me, you have code Shimus50, and you have 50% of discount on all accounts. So this is really nice. See you in the next episodes.